This air defense missile had a short range and a slow nuclear flight speed. It was really not suitable for attacking low-altitude supersonic fighter jets, so it could be used to hit helicopters. In addition, in modern warfare, fighter jets often use low-altitude penetration, electromagnetic interference, anti-radiation missiles to suppress air defense radars and drone decoys, which can greatly reduce the efficiency of air defense systems. Today, Donghae talks about how anti-aircraft missiles hunt fighter jets. The whole process shell has been broken down into 3 key steps. First, find the target. Ground or ship-based search radar emits electromagnetic waves into the sky. When the radio waves hit the aircraft and reflect back, the system can obtain the target's azimuth, distance, and altitude information. Second, lock and guide. After finding the target, the fire control radar will continuously illuminate and accurately track the target. Third, a fatal blow. When the missile approaches the target, the detonation fuse will detonate the warhead a few meters to 10 meters away from the target, releasing a high-speed fragmentation net, destroying the aircraft's skin and cargo engines. Targets can also be destroyed by direct impact. The effectiveness of air defense missiles is not absolute, and is greatly affected by the system's countermeasure tactics and environment. Therefore, without responding to new threats such as stealth fighters, drones, and hypersonic weapons, air defense missile systems are developing in the following directions. First, systematization and networking. Connect different regions and different types of air defense systems, such as long-range, medium-range, and processes, into a network to achieve information sharing and coordinated operations, and play a defensive combination punch. Second, multi-mission and integration. Once multi-purpose, it can not only counter aircraft, anti-cruise missiles, but also intercept tactical ballistic missiles, and even expand to anti-hypersonic weapons and anti-satellite capabilities. Third, intelligent and distributed. Introduce artificial intelligence for target identification, threat sequencing, and firepower distribution, and develop low-cost, high-mobility air defense units to deal with saturation attacks.